So now in this section, we are going to learn how to create the alert dialog box in our Flutter application. When we click this click me, you can see a simple alert dialog box appears and it dim the background content and simply show up this dialog box. It has the title, the content and two buttons of cancel and OK. When we click this cancel, this will dismiss and will disappear and our content will appear again just like this. And when you click this again, click this OK, and that's how the simple dialog looks like. So to create it in our Flutter application, first of all, initially we have again this simple application with the app bar text of alert dialog Flutter, and down here we have the same scaffold app bar within the text of alert dialog Flutter. So in the body of the scaffold, we are going to have a center widget, and in the child of the center widget, we are going to have the elevated button, and in the onPress method, for now we have nothing, and in the child we have the text click me, and after pressing the Ctrl S to hot reload, we will simply get this click me button, which do not works for now. So in the onPress method of this elevated button, we are going to have the widget show dialog, and in the context it accepts the build context, and in the builder it has the function which accepts again the context of build, and simply in the body this is going to return the alert dialog widget, where this alert dialog has some properties to modify this alert dialog. So in the title of the alert dialog, we will pass text widget and some text alert, and in the content property of the alert dialog, we will pass a text widget within the text of something went wrong. Now after this, Ctrl S to hot reload, and when you click this click me, you can see a simple alert will appears and it has the title and the content, but there are no action buttons to click them like cancel and OK, but this is also dismissible when we click this dim area. Now after this, to create the action buttons in our alert dialog box, we will do the actions, and this is the same property as we had in the app bar widget. So here inside the actions, we are going to have two buttons. So we go to text buttons in our action property, which accepts the list of widgets same as the app bar widget. So up until now you have seen the elevated button and the icon button. The text button is same as these two buttons. Simply in the UI, this will give us only the clickable text. Now after this, Ctrl S to hot reload and click this click me. You can see we got this cancel and OK, but for now they will not work. You can see they are clickable but will not work. To make them work, here in the onPress method of these two buttons, we will do this navigator pop context, means to remove this alert dialog from our main UI, which appears on top of our main UI just like in the stack. And you are also familiar with the stack method that you have learned in the section of routing. Like when we navigate to the other page, this page comes on top of the first page, and when we want to go back, we simply pop this context or remove this page from the stack, and then this navigate back us to our main page from where we have navigated to the other page. Same like this, we have again the dialog appears in the stack, meaning that on top of our main UI. Simply to close this or remove it from the stack, we will simply have to use the navigator pop to remove it from the stack. Now after putting this navigator pop and Ctrl S to hot reload and open this up again, when we click this cancel, you can see this disappears by navigator pop context. Open it again, click OK. This will still disappear just because we have put also the navigator pop context for also the OK button. Now if you want to modify this alert dialog, it has the properties of, like if you want to change the background color, it has the property of the background color, and let's say you want to set the background color of the alert dialog box to colors gray. Now after this, Ctrl S to hot reload and open this up, you can see this color becomes gray. And also there is some more properties if you want to explore. Simply head over to the flutter.dev, and here you will find more documentation about this alert dialog box. So that was it for a simple alert dialog box. Again, if you want to learn more about this, you can head over to flutter.dev. Here you will find the more documentation about this, and that was it for a simple alert dialog box in Flutter. And in the future videos, we will get to know more about this. So stay in touch and follow the upcoming videos of the bootcamp if you want to enhance your knowledge about Flutter.